In today's video, I will walk you through how to unblock an email address in Yahoo Mail. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. Once you're in your mailbox, open the Settings area where you can manage blocked senders. In the classic Yahoo Mail view, look toward the lower left for the Account Information dropdown. Select Settings. If your Yahoo Mail layout looks slightly different, look for a similarly labeled Settings option in the header. Next, click Security and Privacy and find the Blocked Addresses section. This area shows the email addresses you have previously blocked. Review the list carefully and locate the email address you want to unblock. When you find the correct address, move your mouse over it and look for the Delete or Trash Bin icon next to the entry. Click the trash bin icon to remove the address from your blocked list. This does not delete any emails. It simply removes the block from that sender. Before confirming the change, make sure you've selected the correct email address, especially if you have several similar entries. If a confirmation prompt appears, choose Unblock or Save to finalize the change. Some versions of Yahoo Mail may save the change automatically. Once the address has been removed from the blocked list, future emails from that sender will be allowed to reach your inbox. Keep in mind that unblocking only affects new messages going forward and will not retrieve emails that were blocked in the past. If you still don't see new messages from the sender, check your spam folder, as the emails may be filtered there for other reasons. That's it. You've now learned how to unblock an email address in Yahoo Mail. Thank you for watching the video.